Hey guys, thanks for hanging out today. You and I are at Vernon Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada, and we're checking out a 2024 Yamaha Kodiak 450. Has anything changed this year? Let's find out. So this guy is going to be a liquid-cooled single overhead cam 4-stroke 2-valve per cylinder engine. It's a 421cc displacement. It's got an 84.5 by 75mm bore stroke. It is a fuel injected, of course, TCI ignition and electric start. It will have the typical Ultramatic V-belt system with Yamaha, the system that never wears out belts, which is amazing. All-wheel engine braking, of course. You'll have your typical high, low, neutral, reverse, and park for your shift pattern too. It's going to have your on-command selectable two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. So for front suspension on this guy, it'll be an independent double wishbone. It'll have 171mm or 6.7 inches of wheel travel. The rear suspension will be another independent double wishbone with 189mm or 7.4 inches of wheel travel. You're going to have dual hydraulic disc brakes on the front and a multi-wet disc brake in the rear. You're going to have typical 25 by 8 by 12 size tires in the front and 25 by 10 by 12 size tires in the rear. They're going to be an entry-level model on this one, so if you're going to do any major trail riding and stuff, you're going to be serious about it, you're going to want to upgrade to something that's 6-ply or more, and definitely a radial. Same thing with the headlights on this. They're going to be your typical halogens. Something LED would do you far better. So this guy is going to have a 1240mm wheelbase, or 48 inches. It's going to have 245mm or 9.6 inches of ground clearance. It's going to have 855mm or 33-inch seat height. 289 kilograms or 637 pounds. 14 liters of fuel capacity. Your front rack capacity is going to be 40 kilograms or 88 pounds. Rear rack capacity is going to be 80 kilograms or 176 pounds. And 600 kilograms or 1,322 pound towing capacity, which is pretty cool. You're going to have a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty here in Canada and a 10-year belt warranty. Your typical Yamaha blue. Pretty much the same bike that we're all used to seeing. I don't think really anything has changed too much. Still a great Yamaha quality. Make sure your fluids are clean, make sure your filters are clean, give it a good soak down after every ride, and you'll have something that'll last you quite literally a lifetime. Underneath the seat, a little bit of a storage. That's one thing that's lacking on this machine is storage. That's pretty much all you've got. There's nothing on the front. See, nothing on top there. Nothing on the fenders. Definitely going to want a box on the front and the back probably. Well guys, I'll sum up yet another one for Canadian Quadders Review. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking and subscribing. If we can get at least 10 likes per video, that would be so cool. It's really making a difference to the channel and it's so appreciated. Once again, I apologize for the lack of videos here and there. It's really due to content to film and time to film it between 2 jobs and things like that. Life gets a little busy. But so appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.